All right, so real quick, we're gonna go over the 1R1, one reload run, one drill, which is just your basics of what a pistol reload is. And it's going to look something like slide lock, drop your mag, right? So we'll go through that step by step. All right, to go back through that, I drew my gun. I have one chambered with an empty mag. I'm gonna fire that round, which sends me to slide lock. You recognize your gun talks to you, you recognize you're in slide lock, you're going to bring it into your workspace here. Some people say up, some people say a little bit lower like this so you can look over the muzzle of the gun. I really don't care which one you do, just don't have it down here. So you bring it into your workspace. As you're doing that, you're dropping the mag and grabbing your reload at the same time. Your mag should be indexed as such to where as you bring it into the workspace of your gun, your bullet is pointed forward to reload. Send it home like you mean it. At this point, you can use the slide lock, slide release, or crab claw. Either way, it really doesn't matter. I'm going to do that. Rebuild your grip. All right, so one more time. I'm not gonna go real fast. I'm gonna sort of go slow and talk through it as I'm doing it. Draw, one shot, slide lock, drop your mag, reload, and re-engage.